Okay, to make your DOSBox window bigger in Linux, you need to go to your DOSBox folder. Mine is located in Home and the hidden folder .dosbox. Find your configuration file .conf and make a backup copy before you make any changes. Open the configuration file with a text editor. And up near the top of the file, see these settings right here, full resolution and window resolution. Put the resolution that you want in there. I chose 1024 by 768. And then your output, the default is Surface, but you need to change it to something else. I've chosen OpenGL. And you can see up in the description here, output gives you Surface, Overlay, OpenGL, and OpenGL NB. And the reason that you have to change it, you can't use a different window resolution if your output is Surface. So I chose OpenGL. So let's close this and open DOSBox and see what happened. There it is, 1024 by 768. That's all there's to it. Thanks for watching.